And I say the same thing every single time. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. Keep me up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever.
What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another vlog. So you guys, it has officially been 1 week since I've actually vlogged. I just kind of needed a break. Just pretty much from everything, you guys, and just some time to myself. So in this vlog, I'm just going to basically be resetting myself. I feel like when my space is clean, you guys already know how I feel about that. And I also feel like when I look good, I feel good and I vibrate much higher. Y'all already know on this channel, we are all about positivity and vibrating super high. Okay, good spirits, no bad vibes, period. So with all of that being said, and before we jump into the vlog, I wanted to thank AnaLuisa for sending me over these beautiful pieces. You guys, this is my second time working with them, and I absolutely love their brand. I love what they stand for. I love that all of their pieces are unique, you guys. I love that their jewelry is so dainty, and most importantly, I love that their jewelry is gold because I love gold jewelry, you guys. I'm a gold kind of girl for life. The first piece that I have to show are these mini love knot earrings. These are 14 karat gold on recycled sterling silver. I absolutely love how minimal and dainty these earrings are. And as you guys know, I am an Aquarius, so of course I had to pick up this necklace. So they have so many different zodiac signs to choose from. So this is a 14 karat gold necklace on stainless steel. And I did go ahead and pick out one more additional necklace. This is the AnaLuisa heart necklace. So this last piece is my absolute favorite. I definitely had to have this bracelet, you guys. It is my most wanted and favorite piece out of all of these. This is the Aura bracelet, and it is 14 karat gold on stainless steel. It is going to be perfect paired with other bracelets that I have, as well as my watches. And I don't know about you guys, but when I'm not feeling like myself, a gift to myself is always a must-have for me. When it comes to unique designs, high quality jewelry at an affordable price, I can always count on AnaLuisa to make me feel beautiful and just simply empowered. So be sure to check out my description bar below, you guys, so you can get you something that you love. And y'all know I have a coupon code because y'all know we love to save money over here on this channel. Okay? So yeah, let me know what y'all get.
Got it, flown it, I know you want it, I know you want it, I know you want it. Got it, flown it, I know you want it, I know you want it. I'm over and check up on it. Got it, flown it, oh I know you want it. I'll I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I'm over and check up on it. Got it, flown it, oh I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. Check up on it, check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it, check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it.
guys just seen, I have had quite a bit to do this morning. So I actually just got off a call with a brand that I'm going to be partnering with and working with soon. I'm super excited about that, and that went really well earlier this morning. Y'all, I have just been feeling so like blah. Like I have literally been feeling so blah. I don't know what it is. Like I don't know if it's because of like my sinuses and my allergies, girl, because it's pollen everywhere. If you in the South, honey, then you know. So I don't know if it's like my allergies. I don't know if it's like because time has changed and we've lost an hour of sleep, but I have literally just been feeling so drained. I've been feeling blah, meh, like so tired. Like I haven't want to do nothing. So I feel like this tea has really kind of helped me to really feel like a lot better. Still not at 100, sis, okay? But it's helped me to feel a little bit better and rejuvenated and to get some things done, to push through, okay? To get some things done that I really needed to get done. So I feel like also just having my space clean, and also me actually deciding to get up this morning and actually do my hair, just kind of re-put my hair in a bun, because girl, it was all over the place, okay? And just kind of like, you know, taking me a shower, putting me some jewelry on, honey, putting me some fragrance on, like it really has helped me to just feel a lot better. So I am probably gonna just throw in some leggings, something super simple, because we are gonna go ahead and run like maybe like 2 errands today. I'm only gonna go in like 2 stores because I know exactly what I want, exactly what I need, and I'm gonna try to be good so I can get out of there. So I'm sitting here so I can show you guys just some things that I've recently got. Oh my god, y'all, I feel jittery because this tea that I'm drinking, it is super caffeinated. So it has a lot of caffeine in it, and it's kind of giving me like vibes of that I OD'd on coffee. That's what it's giving me, girl. And I hate to feel like that, but I kind of want to say that I needed it. I really did, y'all, because I just been like feeling like whatever. And I was telling Babe last night, I was like, you know why? You know what? You know why I've been feeling like this? Is because this is why, honey. My nails ain't done. My hair was just all over my head. My toes aren't done. So when we get back home, we're going to kind of get that together too. Okay? We're going to get that together. So let me just show you some things that I've got recently. So yeah, so the first item I got is this Mazzani. It is just a leave-in conditioner. And I normally use the It's a 10, but girl, It's a 10 is high as hell. It's like $30 for like, I don't even know how many ounces. So I got this from JCPenney's and I only paid like $13 for it, which isn't bad at all. So I'm trying to do better at taking care of my natural hair. You guys know that I am relaxed, but I'm just trying to do better at taking care of my real hair. Because sometimes I get so caught up in like my weaves and stuff like that, girl. And I need to focus on my real hair and what's going on in my scalp, okay? And then I picked up some of the originals. I guess this is by African's Best Hair Mayonnaise. I normally use the ORS brand, but girl, this was $3. The ORS brand is like $10. So I was like, you know what? I mean, it's probably all do the same thing. It's an egg protein kind of for damaged, weak hair. So I was gonna put this like with some natural oils and do myself like a deep condition on dry hair, like once I decide to wash my hair. Because this week is my spring break, you guys, so we're out of school and I have a lot of filming to do. I'm so behind on some content that I have to get done and I have to get out that's due. So yeah, when I decided to wash my hair, I am gonna use that, see how that goes. Now this week, I just started using this kojic acid soap. If you know a lot about it, comment down below and let me know. But basically, it's a skin lightening soap, and I don't use it everywhere because clearly I don't need it everywhere. I just feel like I need it like on my butt, my legs, knees, elbows. Even though, girl, my elbows are not even bad at all. I'm kind of ashy, but they're not bad at all. So basically, it's a skin lightener. It's supposed to, I guess, stop the growth of pigment and make the areas that are darker just a little bit more brighter, a little bit more lighter. So I have started using this. I haven't had any skin irritations or anything like that just yet. Let me not say just yet, but yet. And I don't plan on having anything. Y'all know that I love Megan Thee Stallion. I love her music, but I also just love her as a person in general. And she's also an Aquarius, okay? If you know, then you know. And like her body is just so smooth. Like she just looked like butter. Like she just looked like butter, girl. So I want my skin to look like butter too. So that's why I'm trying out that soap. And then I just bought this little soap dish from Walmart. And this is what it looks like. You have to be careful, you guys, because this stuff will stain your tub. stain, okay? Then I just picked up this LA Girl pencil. It just say pink neon. It's a lip liner, but I'm gonna use it for like bottom my waterline. And then I got this lip pencil. This is from NYX. It is in the shade Cold Brew, so that's a lip liner. And then I got this Wet n Wild dark brown liner because I love black wing liner, but I want to try brown. I want to try something more soft. I know like the clean girl makeup trend has been trending, so I want to film that soon. And then I got a free sample of this Hot Cherry lip balm. Well, it's a lip plumper from Fenty because I got the foundation in 420 like I was telling you guys in my last Get Ready With Me. So I'm gonna try this shade, see what it's giving, honey. But that lip plumper, it is so pretty. Like I'm probably gonna put it on like when I go out to run my errands. And then I just picked up some of the hard head spray. I just need a smaller version of like a spray to help me like maintain my lace and stuff when I am like wearing it out and all of that. I'm talking fast, girl, because my camera dying. And then picked up some candles from Bath and Body Works. This is Lakeside Morning. I've already started burning this in the bedroom, you guys. It smells so good. Like this is just like the perfect mix between a very sweet and fruity feminine fragrance and also masculine at the same time. Like I love this, and I let Babe smell this one as well, and he's like, I want some of those for my house. Because right now Bath and Body Works has their, by the time you guys see this it won't be probably, but they had their candles for $12.95, and then I had a 25% off coupon. And then the next one I got is Champagne Margarita, which smells really nice. It smells really good, girl. So good. Love that one. Oh, excuse me. And then I also got this Happy Easter one. This smells good as well. So I paid like $9.71 for these candles, you guys. And then last I got a Pink Apple Punch. And the reason why I did a little shopping, because I don't even have nowhere to store these, girl. Like that's how many candles I have that I don't need. I don't even have nowhere else to put these, like especially the stash that I already have. So but I was like, if I'm gonna get something, I'm gonna get scents that I've never tried and don't have, and that's exactly what I did. Because I feel like my top 5 Bath & Body Works scents as far as candles are Strawberry Pound Cake, Gingham, Midnight Blue Citrus, Champagne Toast, and Cactus Blossom. Those are literally my top 5 when it comes to Bath & Body Works candles. Now body care, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different. So let me go ahead and get this stuff put up, you guys, and I'm gonna see you guys once we get in the car.
She throw that pussy, I'ma hit that pussy like a sandwich. Have a dance, pussy dropping through a pan.
Y'all, we are in the car. I'm about to leave the house. So I have on the Fenty gloss that I was showing you guys earlier. It kind of has like a red kind of tint to it. Y'all probably can't even really tell. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna cook for dinner, y'all. Oh my god, I cannot wait to do my nails, girl. But so Babe got his wisdom teeth pulled earlier this week, and he wants something soft. So I don't know if I want to do like boiled chicken and rice, or if I want to do what's it called it, or if I want to do or if I want to just pick up something. I don't know what I want to do, girl. I have no idea, but I'm feeling good, y'all. I'm smelling good. I have on Dolce & Gabbana Garden, and I'm feeling good. Like I'm definitely feeling a lot better, y'all. Got on my jewelry, okay? Like this is fire. I had to have this piece, y'all. Like I love it. Like I feel like it's gonna look so good like with my other watches and stuff. So I just have on something real simple, y'all. I'm just pretty much wearing yellow, black, and gray. So I guess the first stop is going to be Marshall's, so I can get the Japanese brushes I have been telling you guys about. So yeah, let's go.
I second or a third time. I said some things, I hurt your feelings and you hurt mine. Lord knows that you hurt mine. My baby girl so pretty, she the coldest in the city. Every time I check my mentions, her comment on my
We just made it into my Marshalls, y'all. It literally looks like everything is so peeked over. Like, I don't see nothing. Chili. Yeah, it's literally nothing in here, y'all. I did find the brushes that I came in here for, y'all. And maybe it's a good thing they don't have anything, because this is literally all I needed. So I'm just going to grab
another one of these brushes, girl, maybe even two, because this is bomb for bronzing. So go to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, wherever you gotta go, sis. Japanese ankle brush, and it's only $5.99. You cannot beat that. Y'all, this is the part that literally always gets me in trouble, and I don't need any more nail polish, y'all. Like, I have a plethora, and I don't really see any new colors that I really like anyway. Girl, let me get out of here. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. I literally went in the store, got what I was supposed to get, and came right on out. Okay. So, yeah, y'all pretty much saw what I got. So I just picked up 2 more of the Japanese brushes. So yeah, one's going in my travel bag, and then one is going with my brushes that I use for, like, I don't want to say every day, but when I do wear makeup, because I'm the type of person, I like to have 2 of everything. Like, I like to have more than enough. Okay, so I like to have 2 powder brushes, 2 foundation brushes. Like, I need to make sure I got enough. So I really want to get me another blush brush, but the one that I have from Ulta, what was it, about Morphe, I like it, but I don't love it. So I'm trying to see if I want to buy another one of those. That's my problem too. Sometimes I be buying stuff, like double of stuff, and then I don't even be liking it. It's crazy. So yeah, I am in front of the meat store. I'm about to go get some chicken thighs, because I am just gonna do boiled chicken and rice and call it a day. That way I know babe can eat that, and it's soft enough for him to eat, because I know my baby, he want to eat. Okay, like, he likes to eat. I know he's been miserable these past couple of days, y'all. He got it done Thursday, and today is Sunday. So he's just taking it easy. I'm telling him to not, like, force himself. Like, if he sees that he can't eat it, like, don't worry about it. Because I was gonna make some chicken Alfredo, but I'm just like, let me just go and get something that I know he gonna be able to eat.
I'm not gonna cook it slow. You should put that on as soon as you woke up in the morning.
Oh man.
So you want to cook your chicken first. What you looking for your phone?
Okay, and then put the rice in there.
Yeah, then put the rice and add your broth in there.
Okay. I don't even know.
You actually cook your chicken with the broth in there. If you just like, if you don't be caring, like, I just want mine like a little brown. My chicken a little brown.
Yeah. Okay, but I'm gonna take the skin off the thighs, because I don't know how that's going.
Yeah, then never mind. Put yours with the broth in there.
For Sunday, I have literally been going and going and going. I got up really early this morning. Had to put grays in, had to film some stuff. I'm just tired. Like, I really need to be looking over the stuff. I got my chicken going in the pan. Ooh, y'all. If you know, then you know. Sis ain't no chef. So, yeah, y'all. I am definitely not a chef. So I'm about to just chill, probably listen to some music, get some more work done, and watch this chicken till it gets done. I think that is pretty much it for this vlog. Oh, I forgot. I want to do my toes and my nails. I don't know if I'm gonna film it or if I'm just gonna do it, girl. I don't know. But if I do, then y'all will see it in a minute. So I decided to go ahead and do my nails and toes off camera, but this is pretty much what they're giving. You guys, do not forget to go ahead and head on over to AnaLuisa's website to pick you out something special. They have everything, you guys. Earrings, necklaces, bracelets, whatever you want, they definitely have it. Check out my description bar below for more details.